The number one challenge facing the golf industry today is labor. It's hard to find the labor to start with, and then when you find it, it's often unskilled. As a superintendent, technician, or other trusted supervisor on a golf course or another turf professional, you're judged on a couple of things on a daily basis. Number one is the cut quality on the golf course or other turf area. Number two is the consistency from hole to hole or consistency of the playing surface. When a golfer plays a golf course, they expect hole number one to play the same as hole number 18. How do I do that with inexperienced operators? How do I do that with unskilled labor? And how do I make sure my consistency stays the same from hole to hole? So how do we solve this labor challenge? John Deere introduces a new series of Triplex mowers, the 2700 and 2750 PrecisionCut and E-Cut hybrid Triplex mowers. What these machines do is give the supervisor, whether it be the superintendent, the technician, or another trusted supervisor, more control of their operator's performance than ever before. These innovative machines provide quality of cut regardless of operator and consistency from hole to hole. How do we do that? Let's take a look. The key to the whole system is the advanced tech control display. It's located on the right-hand side of the machine and is passcode protected, meaning no operator has access to what's inside the tech control. All they can see is the operating screen. You, as a superintendent, technician, or trusted supervisor, can enter the passcode into the display and enter a number of operating parameters for your operators. Once those are set, there's nothing your operator can do to change that. As a superintendent, technician, or supervisor, there's a certain level of care that you would build into mowing your greens or tees or approaches on a daily basis. Now you can take the way you mow and build it in so that your operators mow exactly the same way. Now, let's take a deeper look into the tech control display. The first feature within the tech control display is the ability to set frequency of clip. We've done this for many years already on our walk behind greens mowers with a chain drive to the drum and chain drive to the reel, and as you speed up or slow down, the reel speeds up or slows down in the same relation, keeping your frequency of clip the same. With the new 2700 and 2750s, these machines do exactly the same thing. The supervisor can go into the tech control display, enter the number of blades on the reel speed, and also the maximum mowing speed. Once those are entered, the operator is mowing at your prescribed frequency of clip. If you set every machine up the same way, every operator is doing exactly the same thing. What this means for you is the same quality of cut from hole to hole and consistency from every area to every area on the golf course. Also, until today, no one could do this on a hydraulic machine. We can do this regardless if it's a hybrid or hydraulic machine. Frequency of clip controls the cut quality on all four models that we have. The frequency of clip is not the only feature within the tech control display. We also have many other things that you as a supervisor could control. The first of which is the engine speed. And what I mean by that is there's an eco mode built into the display that you can control that the operators can't change. In eco mode, when the operator engages the PTO, the engine is going to reduce down to 2250 RPM. What that does for you is it's budget friendly, saves fuel consumption by up to 30%. For the operator, it reduces their sound by up to 3 decibels depending on model. What that means is more quiet, comfortable operation for them. Regardless of whether you choose a PrecisionCut or an E-Cut hybrid triplex mower, the feature sets between the two are exactly the same, including eco mode. There are many other supervisory controls built within the advanced tech control display that as a supervisor only you can control. Some examples of those include turn speed. You can control how fast your operators turn at the end of a pass. You can also control their maximum transport speed. You can also control how quickly the cutting units raise and also how quickly they lower to start your pass. You can also control the front to rear cutting unit timing to improve your productivity. Also, you can control whether cruise control is turned on or off for the operator, as well as load match. You can enable that setting in there as well. So what this results in is more control over your operator's performance, and if you set the machines up the same way, you're going to get the same results from operator to operator throughout the mowing day. Another supervisory control within the advanced tech control display is the cleanup pass mode. You have the ability to go into the display and set a cleanup speed for your operators. Every operator struggles with mowing a perimeter cut. Typically, they cheat inside just a little bit, and over time the greens or tees or whatever you're mowing gets smaller and smaller over time. With this innovative feature, the operator hits the button on the tech control when they're ready to mow the cleanup pass, and it automatically reduces their speed for cleanup. That way, all they have to focus on is driving the perimeter. They don't have to focus on feathering the speed because now they have a new, lower, comfortable speed. What that leads to is a more crisp, accurate perimeter and more confidence from your operators to do a great job. So now let's move to the platform itself. The first thing you're going to notice is the open platform design. It features a low center of gravity for more stability, as well as improved traction, and also a brand new grass catcher system. For the grass catchers themselves, you have the option to choose yellow or black. The yellow gives the operator benefit to be able to see how much grass is actually in the catcher, especially when mowing early in the morning or late in the evening. Also, as a supervisor, you can see the level of grass from the outside and give education to your operators on when to actually dump the grass catchers. The grass catchers themselves are a one-hand remove and a one-hand install, but we also have an innovative hook design on the side of each grass catcher that helps keep the catchers on during transport. One of the challenges of an open platform design is getting to the center cutting unit for removal to put on a grinder or also for adjustments. What we've done to solve this problem is we have a no-tool removable foot platform that all you have to do is pull a pin, slide out the foot platform, and it has its own storage location so you can make those adjustments. The areas in which triplex mowers are used often have a lot of undulations, and for that reason, an excellent contour following system is a must. The 2700 and 2750 PrecisionCut and E-Cut hybrid triplex mowers have a contour following system that consists of ball joints, sealed bearings, and composite bushings that are maintenance free. Also with that system, you get 21 degrees of upward movement, 21 degrees of downward movement for a total of 42 degrees, 36 total degrees of side-to-side steering, and also 36 degrees of roll angle. And what that means for you is better cut quality and more consistency across a wide range of undulations and tight mowing perimeters. The operator station on these machines is extremely comfortable. It all starts with a command arm on the right-hand side, putting all the controls within the operator's fingertips. Also, we have a tilt steering wheel as well as a tilt steering column adjustment for more comfort. We have two different seat options, a standard seat that has a fore and aft adjustment, as well as a deluxe seat that also has the fore and aft adjustment, a lumbar adjustment, a backrest tilt, and also a weight adjustment to cater to each individual operator's weight. And behind the operator station, we have our engines. We have two different options within this range. If you get a 2700 PrecisionCut or E-Cut hybrid, the 00 means it's a gas engine. On these machines, it's an electronically controlled EFI Kohler gas engine. What that means is no more choke and no more hand throttle. It's also air cooled. The other option we have is our diesel engine. That's a 2750. The 50 means it's a diesel machine. This one is also electronically controlled, no hand throttle, and features a liquid cooled 3-cylinder diesel engine. We have a lot of other options available for the 2700 and 2750 triplex mowers as well. Some of those include an LED light kit, which gives you two front-facing LEDs, one rearward-facing LED, and also a grass catcher strip located underneath the seat. This gives you 360 degrees of lighting for mowing either early in the morning or late in the evening. We also have a storage kit mounted to the right-hand side of the machine. You can use this for general storage, or it's also designed to hold a cup cutter if you carry your cup cutter with you when you go to mow your greens. We also have a dew whip holder kit available as well for this machine. And if you need more traction on some of the slopes on your golf course, we also have a 3-wheel drive system available as well. It's called the Grip all-wheel drive system. What this system does is it gives fluid or flow to all 3 wheels at the same time, maintaining traction. Labor is the biggest challenge facing the golf industry today, and we at John Deere totally understand that. We understand it's tough to find operators, and when you find those operators, they're often unskilled. We want to help you with that challenge to maintain your cut quality. We want to help you with that challenge to keep your cut quality looking like it's been mowed by a walk-behind greens mower. We want to help you with that consistency from hole to hole. That's the reason that we're introducing the 2700 and 2750 PrecisionCut and E-Cut hybrid triplex mowers. With the innovative tech control display and advanced supervisory controls, what you're going to get is cut quality and consistency from hole to hole, regardless of operator. This complete lineup is our next evolution in John Deere's precision turf journey.